everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason, and in today's video we are going to be doing another Mindful Souls unboxing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This, I believe it's my second box. It's either my second or third, I can't really remember. But if you're not familiar with Mindful Souls, it's a spirituality themed box, like crystals, in forms of like jewelry and things like that. So this particular subscription is $39.97, I believe, per month. I'll put the exact cost down in the description or up above. And I'm not sure how many items you're supposed to get in each box, but I've liked this box so far. I've actually ordered a few more things from their website as well. So let's go ahead and just open the box and see what we get. This is the box, Mindful Souls. And I already hadn't cut it open, but I didn't look inside. So when you open it up, this is the inside. Comes with a nice card, and on this card, in the back of it, it tells you what products are in the box. It does not look like there are retail values. So it just really describes the items. So let's go ahead and get right into it. They usually give you some kind of sticker. Keep calm and no drama, with a llama. No drama llama. All right, so there's that sticker. Let's pull out this first thing here. And this is Fragrant Essential Oil, and it is, I cannot read it on here, so let me pull out this is Rain Song Essential Oil. So I'm not quite sure what Rain Song is supposed to smell like, but do we see that? Do I need to turn my light down a little bit? Let's see here. Let's turn it down one more there. Maybe that'll be better. There we go. Here we go, and let's open this up and see what this smells like. All right, so it's in this little bottle. And it's very mild. Oops, didn't mean to put it on my nose there. Yeah, it's extremely mild. It's really hard to pinpoint the scent. It's a nice scent. It's very kind of fresh smelling. I don't know. Let me see if this is for like a diffuser or if this is an essential oil to like actually put on the body. When an individual inhales scent from lotus essential oil, the body is almost always compelled to take a deep breath. This facilitates in producing a calming and relaxing experience. So they're describing it as a lotus flower scent. This type of floral essential oil is highly spiritual, given the symbol that the lotus plays in ancient Hindu and Buddhist practice. The lotus flower has come to epitomize spiritual reflection, meditation, and tranquility. So it sounds like it's more of just a essential oil that you would breathe in, so probably more for a diffuser rather than to actually like put on the body. All right, so there's that. I'm hoping that when you put it in a diffuser, maybe you'll smell a little bit more of that smell, because it was very, very mild. But next thing is, they also give you a little card usually that's got an affirmation on the back. So this one is Affirmation for Forgiveness. Forgiving makes me feel light and free. So forgiveness more for yourself than for others, because when you forgive, it takes weight off of you rather than carrying that. Anyway, yeah. So it's good to be reminded of that every once in a while. Let's pull out this. Oops. What is this? Okay, I just pulled this out, and I'm not quite sure what it is. Oh, there's something inside of it. Oh, okay. They're socks. They're like a mandala sock. Very thin, which is good because my apartment tends to stay pretty hot. So when I wear like thick socks around the apartment, it warms me up too much. So they're okay. Let's go ahead and pull out one of our sacks. The things that are left in here are individually wrapped in these burlap type sacks. So let's go ahead and get these open. The first one I'm pulling out here is, oh, okay. It's a big, and this is a necklace. And let's see if I can, it's a nice stone there. And this is blue agate, I believe? Yes, so blue agate slice necklace. It's nice, I like it. I like the beaded chain. Let's see here. It's a little tight for me. So, yeah, it's not bad. So there's that necklace. Agate, and let's pull out another one here. And this is a bracelet. This is a pretty heavy bracelet. And this is, I believe it's a tiger eye bracelet. And this is protective tiger's eye bracelet, yes. It's pretty, like I said, it's pretty heavy. I like the bracelets like these that are round because when I get like the more stones, it tends to dig into my wrist too much because this already is pretty tight. So I don't know how long I'll be able to wear something like this. Some fit a little bit looser than others. This is a little tight on me, so there is that. Let's look at this next one here. This feels like just a stone. Yep. Oh, this is pretty though. This is a red agate, circle crystal. In ancient times, the forces of the four elements were considered as some of the most powerful forces of the universe, and agates were justifiably linked to the earth element. Okay, so for balancing, it's a pretty stone. I really kind of like that. And it's sturdy stone. All right, and it looks like there's one more item in here. And what is this? Is it another? Okay. Looks like it's another necklace. When I pull it out, it's just a big stone like this with a cord wrapped around it. It's interesting. It seems like it's just maybe a big chunk of quartz. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a wrapped raw clear quartz necklace. I like the roughness of it, you know, that it's just like this big chunk with the rope tied around it. I think that's kind of cool. It is heavy though, so if you were to like, it's gonna fit around my neck a little bit better, but it's got a lot of weight to it, so you kind of feel like you're walking this way anyway. All right, so let's just quickly recap what we have in this box. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So we've got the clear quartz necklace. We have the tiger eye bracelet. We have the stone, the agate stone, the red agate. We have the blue agate necklace. And we have the essential oil, which was, I believe, Rain Song. Okay. And that is this month's Mindful Souls. What do I think of this box? I don't dislike the box. It's not my favorite so far, but I think they had some good items in it. I'm getting a lot of jewelry, more jewelry than I probably have ever had. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot also the socks. Socks as well. So, the mandala socks. It's an okay box. Not mad about it. I believe my last one was a little bit better, but we'll see what next month's is. Let me know what you think of the box down below in the comments. And that'll do it for me for this video. Everybody take care, stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video.